Alright, so hi. For today's video, we will be talking about how to fix high ping and packet loss in Counter-Strike 2. Alright, so for today, I'll be giving you some tips on what to follow in order for you to resolve that type of specific errors. You need to try it one at a time and then test if it's gonna work. If in case not, go to the next step. Alright, so let's get started. First, we need to check this Counter-Strike 2 server status. And for you to do that, you need to open up a browser. Now we have Google right here. Type in CS2 server status. I did not spell that right, sorry. Then hit enter. And once we have that, first option that we have right here is CSGO database. Click on that. Of course, we need to verify our connection to make sure that everything is safe. There you go. Now, this is actually a website that you can use in order for you to check the server status of the game. There you can be able to see the continents or basically the country where you're at, and it's going to show you what's the status. Now, here the status legend that we have right here for offline surge and delayed, it only means that the problem is not from your end, but it's from Counter-Strike 2's end. So all you gotta do is wait up until it is resolved, then try it again. Now, if it shows normal or all green, like green means go, it only means that the problem has something to do coming from your end. So we can try and see if that's gonna be your internet connection. Now, how can we test? Go to fast.com. Now, this will actually test your internet speed. Give it some time to load. Now you can be able to see the results right here, and the results will determine if your internet is slow. All you gotta do is restart your modem or your router. Then try it again. If problems still persist, here's gonna be our next step. Let's close this first. Now from your search bar, we will be needing to type in command prompts. There you go. That's quick. Once you open that up, here's what you need to type in. That's IP config space slash flush DNS. Then hit enter. Next word you gotta try, or you gotta need to type in is netsk space winsock space reset. Now, once you're done, you'll be needing to restart your computer, then give Counter-Strike 2 another try. Now, if the problem still persists, or same error keeps on popping up, here's the next step we can try. Close this page. Now, we'll be needing to open up Device Manager. This is the third step, guys. Remember, Device Manager, then hit open. Then we need to look for network adapters. There you go, click that up. Now here are the network adapters that you have available on your PC or your device itself. If you're not sure what to update, you can actually update them all. It would actually don't take time, so you can update them all by clicking the right button, update driver. There you go. Then just search automatically for drivers. You need to do that on all those lists that you're actually seeing under network adapters if you're not sure what to do. Then try it again. Advisable is to, of course, restart your computer still. So if Counter-Strike 2 still doesn't work, here's gonna be the next step. Now, settings. Once we have settings up, go to network and internet. There you go. Look for, where is that? Advanced network settings, and then change adapter option. Once you click that up, since it will actually show up all the options that you actually have to be connected to the internet. Now, what I'm using currently is internet. So what I'm gonna do is right click, disable it for 5 to 10 seconds, and then just enable it. Once you've done that, go to properties. Under properties, make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled. This one, so we need to uncheck that. And then we need to make sure that internet protocol version 4, which is this one, just double tap. And we will be needing to change our DNS server address. Now, how can we do that? Radio button here, use the following DNS server. Now, we will be needing to type for preferred DNS server, that's 8.8, oh, sorry, 8.8.8.8. Now, for alternate DNS server, what I have is 8.8.4.4. Then, of course, you'll be needing to hit OK and then apply the change. Once you're done, restart your computer and that should fix the problem. Now, if it has something to do or if the problem still persists, suggestion would be calling your internet service provider because it might be a problem with their end. All right, so those are the steps that you can follow to fix high ping and packet loss for Counter-Strike 2. I really do hope that you learned something from me today. And follow, like, subscribe. You have a great day. Bye for now.